What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate the love and support. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. That's how we get it down here, man. Freestyle cooking, man. We get it in. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, we doing a stuffed flank steak, y'all. That's right. Stuffed steak today. We about to get it in. You'll love this recipe. Real easy to make, real easy to do. As you can see up on the board, I got me some flank steak, and I actually was just in the mood for this, and I had already started to like butterfly my steak, but I decided to bring y'all in and share this recipe with y'all because I just love sharing the recipes, love sharing with y'all, love trying to put all that out there so y'all can make this at the crib. You feel me? Alright, so this is about 2.5 pounds, pretty big, pretty husky. I might just use half of it, who knows, we'll see. But what you want to do first is get your flank steak, got a nice good piece. Butcher got it all cleaned up for me and everything. Alright, you want to get any excess fat off of it. They got it clean pretty good. Move that out the way. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to butterfly the steak first. That's what we want to do. So what we mean by butterflying it, we're going to open them up like a book. You feel me? So I got my boning knife, and as you can see, I already started. But I'm going to show you so you guys can do it also. But you'll take your knife, put your hand down like that. And you don't want to go, you want to go like in the middle, kind of in between the middle and the bottom of the steak. Okay, keep your knife level, keep your hand there. Take your knife, your sharp knife right on through just like that, and start it. As you can see, I started it, right? And then you want to just keep on doing the same thing. And just keep going over and over and over. Okay, take your time, a little bit of patience, and just keep going. As you see what I'm doing, still going. Okay? And you want to do this all the way through. And you want to just keep pulling it open and pulling it apart. Like so. Okay? As you can see, I'm almost through. Alright? You don't want to go all the way through. Alright? Just want to go to the edge. I kind of got this piece. I'm going to cut this off because it's kind of long. Alright? So far, gotta cut that piece off. Alright? So far, we get in there, y'all. Okay? Got a little bit more to go. Got some thick pieces down here. Okay, there we go, y'all. Got it butterflied up. There we go. You see that? That's how you want it. Okay? So just go over. Like I said, you want to take it, put your hand there, take your sharp knife, go through slowly, and just keep opening it, and going and going and going and going. Okay? Like I said, this is a fairly big piece, so I'm probably just going to use half of this and use the other half of my steak for another recipe. So let me see, I'm just going to cut this right here off. So I got 2 halves. Boom, there we go, we got 2 halves. Okay, and we're going to use one of these for our roll. Okay, next, I'm going to get a piece of plastic wrap. Cover my half that I cut that I want to use for my stuffed steak, and just want to go ahead to just thin it out some more, okay? Just to get it nice and extra thin. Alright, so it'll be easy to roll up. And you also can make 2 rolls with the side steak that I had. I'm just making one because I just wanted to share this video with y'all, and this was our move forward. Like I said, I'll probably use that rest of that steak for another recipe that I obviously probably be sharing with y'all. But we're getting it in, man. Freestyle cooking, let's go. Now that I got it nice and thin how I want it, I want to go ahead and season my steak. Some kosher salt. Some cracked black pepper. Also some garlic powder. And some of my Creole seasoning. Oh yeah. Let's go. Alright, I'm going to do both sides. Right? After you got your steak seasoned up, putting to the side, letting that season just get all up in the steak. Next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and chop up some shallots, some fresh garlic, red bell pepper, and jalapeno pepper with the seeds, y'all. I mean, that give it that nice kick. I mean, you can leave the seeds out if you don't like spicy like that, but trust me, it'll be a nice touch to this, okay? And you want to do like I did, like a couple of shallots. I did like 8 cloves because we're going to use some of this later to make our sauce, okay? So stay with me, y'all. This recipe's coming together. Chop your shallots, chop your garlic, bell pepper, nice, dice it up real good. Let's do it. Okay, next you want to break out your skillet. Get your skillet nice and hot. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using some avocado oil. I like using the high heat point oils because they can handle that smoke. Alright, get your pan hot. Once your pan is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and drop some shallots in there. You want it like on a medium high, because you don't want to burn them. We just want to sweat these a little something. Okay, that's good. Okay, get them stirred up. About 30 seconds, y'all. That's all I need. You don't want to burn our shallots. And I love shallots, man. I just love the flavor of them. Right, after about 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and drop some of your garlic in there. Alright, that's good to go. I'm going to save some. And if you're making more than one stuffed steak, you would, adjust accordingly. Alright. Once you start to see it brown a little bit, you want to go ahead and get your bell pepper up in there. That. And the jalapeno. Alright, we're going to get this all incorporated. Just turn it down a little bit more to like medium. Don't want to burn my garlic and my shallots. We just want it to sweat, get that flavor incorporated. Alright, maybe about a minute and some change. About a minute and a half, y'all. Boom, there we go, y'all. Once we got our peppers, shallots, and garlic up out of there, looking real nice, smelling real good, we're going to set that to the side and let it cool. Alright, next we go back, get our steak. Alright, now we're about to get our filling going on. So, Got me some fresh spinach. That's what you want to have. Let's get some fresh spinach on there. Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all gonna love this recipe. Y'all gonna find yourself making it all the time. I'm trying to tell you. And just think, if I didn't pull y'all in on this, y'all be missing out on another great recipe video. Unbelievable. Alright. Alright, next, I want to add my peppers, shallots. Nice. Let's go. Go. Alright, after you got your peppers and everything on there, I'm going to add some cheese. I'm using this creamy melt cheese. It's different cheeses. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. It got this here, got mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, Santiago, yo, whatever cheese you want. Alright. You know what I mean? You can grate your own cheese, which is always best. But like I said, y'all, I pulled y'all into what I was about to do. And it's still gonna come out nice. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go, y'all. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do, let's get our steak rolled up. We wanna roll it up nice and tight, y'all. Nice and tight. Don't worry about what fall out. Okay? Just want to get it nice, roll, tight. Boom. Like so. Bang. There we go. See how we got some extra that fall out? Who cares? Right? We're good to go. Alright? Now that we got our roll nice and tight, we want to go ahead and tie it up. So you want to have some cooking twine tied up, lay out a few pieces. Start to tie it up, okay? Tie it up so we can get this real snug. Go. There, once we got it nice and snug, we're going to go ahead and clip off the ends. Like so. There we go, y'all. Okay. So now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to break out my grill and get this seared. And I'm about to use an indoor grill because I just want to get these, like, the grill flow going on. You can still use the pan that you use with your peppers, shallots, and garlic, okay? To get this on the sear, because we're going to sear it, get it in the oven, finish it off. Alright? Let's do it! Alright. Got my grill out. Got it nice and hot. We're going to sear. We're going to get our steak up on there. Sear it. About 4 or 5 minutes on each side, depending on the wellness you want it. And then we're going to get it in the oven. So you want to heat your oven up. Like I said, if you don't have the grill, heat it up. Do it in your pan. Sear it in your pan, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Same pan that you cook your peppers, shallots, garlic, and everything in. Boom. Set your oven at 375 because you just want to get a sear on it. So I got it on the grill. We're going to get a good sear on it and get it up in the oven, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we done sped it up a little bit. Already got my steak out the oven, seared it on the grill, 3-4 minutes each side. Put it into the oven for about 25 minutes, and this is what we got, y'all. Alright, so now I'm going to let it rest. Put a little 10 on there. And that's it, y'all. We're going to get this cut up, man. Feel me? Freestyle cooking. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes. Let's get this thing cut on up, y'all. Alright. Get this cut in there. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Here we go, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go, y'all. Look at that. So y'all already know what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to go in on this, man. You feel me? Look at that stuffed steak, y'all. Dig? So, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, comment, let me know if you tried it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, nice. You feel me? You make your kind of sauce with that. You know, I got my leftover shallots and garlic, so I can make a sauce with this. You can eat this with any kind of side. But I'm ready to go in on this, y'all. This was the start of the show. Alright? So comment, man. Let me know if y'all tried it. Appreciate y'all watching. Can't wait no more, man. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Holla.